Ever find yourself wondering about those colorful, oddly shaped vegetables at your local market? Let's talk about heirloom vegetables. They're not your everyday produce. They boast a stunning array of shapes and colors, each bursting with unique flavors. What sets them apart is their rich history. These are varieties that have been nurtured and passed down through generations, often for over a century. Their taste, their variety, their story, it all adds up to something truly special. Well, those are what we call heirloom vegetables, and they're as fascinating as they are tasty. But why should we care about these old-timey veggies? Well, the answer lies in their value. Heirloom vegetables enhance biodiversity, a crucial aspect of a healthy ecosystem. They're resilient too, often thriving where hybrid varieties might struggle. But perhaps the most delightful aspect of heirlooms is the unique flavors they bring to the table, literally. From the rich, earthy taste of a Cherokee purple tomato to the sweet crunch of a dragon carrot, they offer a culinary adventure. So not only are they a culinary delight, but they're also a boon to our environment. Now that we know how great they are, you might be wondering how to grow your own. Well, it all begins with finding high-quality heirloom seeds from a reputable source. Then, you'll need to prepare a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Plant your seeds and water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Remember, each variety of heirloom vegetable has its own needs, so do a bit of research about your chosen plants. With a bit of love and patience, you could soon have your own patch of heirloom vegetables thriving in your backyard. Exploring the world of heirloom vegetables can be a rewarding journey. As we've discovered, these gems of the garden offer incredible flavor, contribute to our planet's biodiversity, and give us a sustainable way to grow our own food. From the robust tomatoes to the sweetest corn, heirloom vegetables are truly a treasure trove for garden enthusiasts. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more garden treasures. Until next time, happy gardening!